Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the metallic puff only way film and a heat press rated for film activation. Line up your garment on a flat platen, then position the cut design face down where you want it. Tape edges with heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting. Once done, pre-press the garment for 3-5 seconds to remove moisture and wrinkles so adhesion is consistent. Make sure the vinyl edges sit flush and the fabric is smooth before moving to heat application. You now apply heat with attention to both temperature and timing because puff activation depends on precise energy. Place a Teflon sheet over the vinyl, then press at the specified temperature, usually in the low 300s degrees F, and start with the lower end of the time range. If the film recommends staged activation, press in 2 shorter bursts to let the foam expand evenly. Once done, carefully lift the press. If cool peel or hot peel instructions apply, follow them to avoid stretching or flat. You finish by letting the piece cool completely so the puff structure stabilizes, then remove the carrier if one exists and trim stray fibers. If any edges lift, reapply heat briefly under a Teflon barrier at the same or slightly lower temperature with light pressure, because too much heat will flatten the puff and ruin the metallic effect. If you see mottling or incomplete expansion, test adjustments on scrap. Lower temperature and a few extra seconds, or vice versa, until you get consistent puff and metallic sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.